p.m. Ateneo takes on Cagayan Valley. And the Philippine Navy takes on FEU, while the Philippine Army takes on Sandugo. Over now to Rina Villamor from the sidelines.
Yes, as you guys were saying earlier, the timing may not be the only thing, but timing is an important thing, as most especially with the Lady Tamaraws right now. Coach Ness also reminded them that they have to have court awareness in this game. Just to add up, Coach Ness also reminded Angueta Baquero to just play it very moderately. Angueta Baquero is experiencing some knee pains on her left knee. So, hindi ganun kalakas yung tinatalon niya or nilalaro niya ngayon. Back to you guys.
Well, of course, that is your jumping leg, yung left leg mo, especially if you're right-handed.
Kaya naman pala, si is not playing 100%. Well, so far,
80% ni Angge, malakas pa rin dapat yun.
Well, so far, leading scores after 2 sets. Patrono with 8, Eulalia with 7, Remulla with 4, Tabaquero with 5. On the other side, it's Yonko with 7, Dakis with 6, Michelle and Mayet with 4 each.
And now a 6-point lead for the Philippine Army, 9-3. As Patrona goes long once again. Mayet, Giselle C, Tabaquero, off the hands of Salak, still dug up there by Mayet. Dakis scores again.
And credit that to that shoot of Tina Salak, way on the other side, giving that set to the open hitter, Rachel Landakis.
Dapat yung shoot lagyan natin sa sound effects. Wing! Dapat ganun eh. Yeah. Pag-voltes pipe yun
Dimos ako.
Yeah. Richard and Erica ka.
Yes. Like na Erica. Ayan, talo naman tayo.
Hindi yata nakaka-relate yung mga audience.
Ivy!
Ivy, nakadali ng puntos. That'll be her 5th point in the game.
Yep.
So 10-4. Mikasa is the official ball of the Sheikh Eats B-League. Ivy. Salak. Joan Bunag.
Making sure she took that point and hindi nagawa ni Tina. Sabi niya, akin na nga.
Right. Alam mo ito si Jack Alarca, hindi na nakabalik dito kasi ganda na nilalaro ni Yonko.
Yes, true.
Bunag again. And Gallego could not get there in time. I don't think that's Gallego. Hold on. That is actually their new libero. Ito si Eliza May Abitan. And timeout Espamilar. So 12-4. Philippine Army up by 8.
Hindi tayo nagka-problema, kaya hindi tayo mag-distribute na tayo sa kala. May mga benefits na tayo. Hindi natin na-distribute para makapag-class.
And FEU Makati is the new campus of the Far Eastern University, now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: accountancy, accounting technology, information technology, and business administration. For more information, call 836-2002 or visit www.feu.edu.ph. So 12-4. Namamayagpag ng mamama. Ano pa ba yung mga ibang terms yan? Rumaragasa, umaharurot na ang Philippine Army.
Parang bagyo lang rumaragasa.
Ito na, out of position na naman
Free
tayo.
ball now given to the Philippine Army.
Yonko. Abitan is there. And Tina Salak is denied by Palma.
Landakis.
Dakis, kala niya FEU pa rin siya naglalaro. Pero limborak yun.
Yun nga sasabihin ko sana, a little bit of limborak.
Laking naglilimbo niyan. Pati siya natawa sa sarili niya eh. Nasaktan pa natin yung likod. 12-5. Palma. Salak, great reflexes. Dakis.
Ganda na reaction ni Tina Salak. Nakatalikod ba yan, ha?
Tabaquero. Sabi niya, isa pa daw. Kaya binigay na kay Eulalio. Isa pa. You know, when Tabaquero wants the ball, she'll let you know. But it's Eulalio scores. Let's take a look at it one more time.
Look at Eulalio way up. Yes, that quick attack.
12-6. Palma continues to serve. Up, not anymore.
Going to make it.
So 13-6, balik sa 7 kalamangan dito ng Philippine Army, or the Lady Troopers as they are called. And Rachel Andakis has not used her remote control serve yet. Hindi natin yung kaya niya ngayon.
Much to your dismay. Favorite mo yan eh. Yung
Si
remote
Rachel
control. 1,
Andakis
2, 3.
is actually the reigning MVP of this
Ayan na.
conference. Ayan na yung remote
Ayan
control.
na yung gusto
Inon
mo.
niya. At tandaan mo yan, si Rachel Andakis is actually the reigning MVP of this conference. Long time coming, of course. Won a championship with the UAAP. After everybody thought that FEU could not get it done. Ang lakas ng UST sa Alasal ng time na yun. But FEU, surprising everyone. In the air now for Michelle. Giselle C. Oops, Dalio.
Oh, yes.
That's Yonko will be called for interference there.
Again, masyadong
Hindi mapakali.
long arms, long limbs.
Oh, and talagang built for volleyball, but again with the volleyball mistakes that comes with her height. Sipin mo kaya yung mga player ng Brazil like si Jack Carvalho.
Oo, si Jack.
Ano height nun? 6'4"?
Pag ganun magaling eh. Parang ang dali tignan ng volleyball.
Oh, yun ang voted as the most attractive woman in the 2012 London Olympics. Tinalo niya si Jessica Inez.
Nakakita mo naman yung mga close-up sa kanya ng
Oh,
volleyball.
panay ang close-up sa kanya, no? Si Sheila, maganda rin nila, no? Pero,
at maganda rin.
si Jack Carvalho pa rin yung kino-close up. Ay, nauna lundag sa talon para kay Yonko. Here's C. Combination for Patrona. Nice block by Salak. C once again for Patrona. This time goes the other way. Carolino is there. Michelle in the air.
Ivy
Nice
getting
dig
it.
for Ivy. Patrona dumping it in.
Right. Timing over the blockers. Gets the spot. Look at that sweet spot for Patrona.
Boy.
Ang laki. Nobody close.
Sabi ni Mayet, nako naman, 14-9. Tabaquero barely getting that one across. Yonko. Ivy. A quick set for Eulalia. Sala, quick set for Yonko. Yonko's playing a great game.
Definitely. Ako nagulat ako sa lakas ng palo nito.
Oo, laki pa. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Tina Salak. Tabaquero nakialam sa reception ni Abitan. And it is now 16-9. Second technical timeout. Philippine Army cruising in set number 3.